Hello, this is Abe or Abe Etzpa here. I'm at this trip that I went to Dubai with a group of people, and now we left February the 26th or the 27th, and this is supposed to be a 10-day trip going into a cruise ship, but now the cruise ship is ported and can't go anywhere because of what happened to uh, Iran and Israel. So we're basically stuck here, and now we have to uh, stay until further notice. But um, the bright side is that you could walk around the ship, have breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and everything else. And also, I thought maybe I will get this chocolate, but I did. It's not Dubai chocolate, it's camel milk chocolate with almonds and orange. I'm looking looking forward of trying this because it's made out of camel milk. So, yeah. But anyway, it's just trying to look at the bright side here, and the captain here say that we may go to a US embassy so to get back home. So, and many other people here will go to their country as well, back home. But yeah, it's just crazy how things are. So yeah, until next time, I will keep you updated what happened and if I made it back home.